I'm Ruth Kashidumo, the principal of the school. We are here at Okahovu Primary School. The school started in 1999 as a mobile school, meaning that the mobile means that the school always used to move with a community where they are going for grazing. But because of the numbers of the learners that increased, the school matured and we got classrooms. And we have 200 learners. And as we already received the school fitting program, and we have now the private hostel, so the kids number are now increasing because of they get the breakfast, lunch, and supper at the school. When we didn't have electricity, we have a lot of problems. We cannot make copies at the school. We also used to travel to Opuo for copying and typing our papers. When you want to type examination, you have to be for 2 days, 3 days in Opuo to type and to finish your examination paper and then come back to school for the learner to write. And the darkness also in the surrounding was not unbearable, because you cannot even wake up to help a learner outside. You need a torch. So, and also the learners themselves, when they want to study, they cannot study late night. They only study during the day and then they go to bed. When examination comes, now you see them around the fire, they want to study.
First and foremost, I would like to say we are the custodian of energy in this country as the Ministry of Mines and Energy. And as a ministry, it's our responsibility and our duty to make sure that everybody is electrified. That's the motto and that's the goal. What we want to achieve, we want to make sure that distance might be a barrier in terms of grid, but let it not be a barrier, because we have a solution that can get there, that can make us to get there, the off-grid solar system. And what we want to achieve is that we want this school, or the learners and the teachers in this school, also to have access to the services that are accessible to those that are in some other places like the towns and the peri-urban areas.
In Namibia, it has been reported that over 180 schools don't have access to electricity. And this is a major challenge that the government is trying to address. And we as development partners, GIZ is stepping in to support government to sort of see how they can reduce this big number. So we are trying to assist government with electrifying at least 15 schools. And so far we have electrified 15 schools, and today we are at Okahovu Primary School in Kunene region. And this is one of the schools that we have electrified, and we are really excited to see the changes already starting to show after our intervention. Quality education really demands a lot of stakeholders to contribute to ensure that that quality is attained, so bringing electricity to school and enabling other things like online learning, as I said, lights at night, really also enhances the quality, and people are also able to use now laptops, computers, and all those modern technologies, and that really helps the schools to perform better.